Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for, I'd like to introduce A21 Bravo! Yeah! Alright guys, it's me, I'm back. It's A21 Bravo. I do my own introductions because nobody really likes me that much. I'm gonna do something really cool today. We're gonna do an unboxing and the box is beneath me. I have no idea who it could be from, but we're gonna open it up and see what's in here. Leave your guesses in the comments. Oh, that was pretty good. Set the screwdriver down on a mesh table. That was amazing. All right, we got some packing peanuts. There's nothing in the world I love more than a box full of packing peanuts. All right, so we got a box in a box. Hey, a box number one. All right, advanced clutch technology, something. So there's a clutch. Look at that, a little 6-puck. Yeah, look at that little mother pucker. I mean, but honestly guys, anytime you can get some extra shaft lubricant, anytime you can get that, you know you're good. That looks pretty nice. Set it on that hunk of shit over there. Holy moly. This is what I'm really... This is the beans right here. This is the beans. All right, pretty cool. It even comes with fresh aluminum shavings all over it. It's probably how they intended it, right? It's pretty sweet. So look at this thing, guys. This is the most expensive cheap chunk of metal that I bought in my entire life. Collins Performance. I'm not knocking it at all. This thing's gonna be amazing. This thing is beautiful. It's pretty cool. Thought they would have maybe cleaned it up a little bit better. There's like metal shavings and shit all over it, but just being honest here. So this is going to adapt the LS engine, it's a 5.3, to the CD009 transmission that I'm gonna be putting in this pig right here. What else we got? Oh, it comes with a sticker? Man, 2 stickers, dude. 2 stickers. Comes with 2 stickers? I mean, that's pretty much reason in itself right there. Go on there right now, Performance Technologies, and buy this whole thing because you get 2 free stickers. This is not a paid promotion. Nobody helped me buy this thing, unfortunately. So this is for the instructions. This thing mounts to the bell housing, the T56 bell housing. So I'm gonna put this back in the bubble wrap. So it also comes with every bolt you need, I think is how they describe it on the website, which is really awesome that you don't have to like mess around with finding bolts and trying to get the bolts. A little bushing that you need. Pilot bushing, I think that's called. Just gonna put this back in here. I don't want to scratch it. Now that I got all the metal out of the bag, I have a better chance of not scratching it. So I also got a few more things with this. There's a lot of options with this kit, I should say. I did get the slave cylinder that I needed, the T56 slave cylinder, and the clutch line. So clutch line that's gonna hook up and adapt everything from the 350z to the CD009. I'm pretty sure that's all I got. But it's always fun to dig around and see if there's anything else in there. Just like at Christmas when you like open that present from your crazy aunt and then you're like, are you serious? Is this all you got me? Bag of cabbage? So there's a lot of options that you can get with this kit. I chose to get the slave cylinder and the clutch line kit because it was a complete kit. It's gonna just basically hook right up, I hope. And I'm not gonna have to frickin' mess around with like making lines and stuff. So that was kind of my little shortcut that I took on that one. But the rest of it, buying the stuff individually, because you need to get the clutch, you need to get the flywheel, you need to get the pressure plate, you need to get the bell housing, You can buy all that stuff right from the website and they'll send it to you as one complete kit. But I usually try to do things as cheap as possible, and I decided to find my own bell housing, my own pressure plate, my own clutch, and all this other junk. So I think I kind of actually messed up when I bought this thing, because there's two options. There's an option that comes with the kit that's like $6.99, where the clutch disc comes with the kit, like the one that I got, which is $6.99. And then the other option, I believe it is $4.99, but it doesn't include the clutch disc. So the reason I think I messed up there is because when you go to buy a pressure plate and a clutch, basically it's gonna come like like your clutch kit is gonna come with the clutch and the pressure plate. So it's hard to find like a pressure plate flywheel combo without the clutch. So the kit that I ended up buying was a comparable kit that they offer from Collins, around the same price, but it came with another clutch disc, so I'll have an extra one. It was just kind of an oversight when I bought it and realized it later. So kind of messed up a little bit there, so it cost me like an extra 200 bucks, but I guess I have an extra clutch. I guess I don't have to be as genital on it now because I have a spare. So, and what I think is totally cool about this, and like all the research and development and everything that went into this, if you go on the Collins Performance YouTube channel, it's such a small channel, it needs to be bigger. And he's got like 2,000 subscribers on the channel, and they're showing how to do all this stuff. But he's like, the guy's like in his garage doing it, so it's really cool. He's in his garage, he's doing like the 350z, LS stuff, and then the 1J, 2JZ swaps, and all kinds of stuff. They have different adapter plates, and when I got the tracking number from the company, it came from Brett Collins, the owner of the company. So that just blew my mind that it came actually from him and not from somebody where if I were to call the company and get technical support, it would be from a robot. So, and if you look back on the Hoonigan channel, Hoonigan actually had somebody installing this Collins kit on a transmission for something that they're doing right now, and it's Brett Collins, the guy who freaking owns the company. So that's just totally cool that seems like he's, I don't know, like big, good company, but small enough that he's still very involved with the people that are actually doing it. So, all right, that's it for this one, guys. I'm super excited to put that thing on, and it's such a high quality kit that I don't even know what to say. I just think it's totally cool that stuff like that even exists. So big thanks to everyone that's involved in making that stuff. And transmission should be here in like a day or two, so then we'll install it in a different video and start working on getting this thing in there. I gotta work on my TIG welding a little bit more because I'll be making a aluminum oil pan for that thing instead of buying one. So those will be coming up soon. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.